Wildlife Service. And our mission is to conserve the biodiversity of the Connecticut River watershed, which is a huge area, 7.2 million acres. And yet we only own a certain number of acres within that whole area. So what you've been doing today, and last time you were out, are helping us remove invasive species that are threatening the biodiversity of our refuge.
Civic engagement is breaking out of a bubble. It's a feeling. You get out there and you make a difference for something that might not even have benefited you directly, but just knowing that you're contributing to your community and feeling like a part of something larger than everyday life is just really extraordinary. It's important because it makes people enthusiastic and passionate. When you actually get out there and start to facilitate your own positive change, all the visions that you might have had of something bright happening in the world become tangible. It's exhilarating.
In order to accomplish their mission, they work in conjunction with their partners to provide environmental education, to support private and public land management, and to protect animal habitats through conservation efforts and land acquisition. The Friends of Silvio O Conte National Fish and Wildlife Refuge exists as a collaboration of state, regional, and national organizations that collaborate with and act as a support system for the refuge. These organizations include, but are not limited to, the Connecticut River Watershed Council and the National Wildlife Refuge Association.
Getting involved with environmental leadership is so important because it enables us to take definitive steps of action in our own environments. Rather than taking on the whole of global warming and climate change, we further natural resource conservation by working with these local organizations in order to make a real difference in our local setting. We learned a lot about the species we work with, such as how to identify them and how they affect the environment.
Our project dealing with invasive species was a lot more fun than we expected. Cynthia was a joy to work with. Our time volunteering was extremely rewarding as we were able to make a perceivable difference at the refuge by removing the dangerous invasive species. It feels great knowing we were able to contribute to the conservation of the refuge and several migratory bird species.